We're all finishing up, getting ready, and then we're gonna head into the park. We just got into Bryce Canyon, and we tried to do a hike, but the guy told us that it was too packed and our vehicle was too big. So now we're doing the loop trail. We ended up coming here because we weren't able to do arches. So we're doing this, and then we're gonna head to Zion after we're done here. Whoop, whoop. Girls ended up catching a cold. Casey was the first one, and then Brittany is feeling it today. I asked Casey yesterday, I asked if she wanted to go home, and she said, yeah, right. So we are still adventuring. Ooh. Isn't that cool? The camera just doesn't capture it. Tell you what, a dirt bike trail going right down there, and it looks like some like sand dunes right there. Be so fun.
As a Bryce Canyon Junior Ranger,
I promise to do all I can
I promise to do all I can
to help protect
to help protect
my national parks.
my national parks.
I will collect litter
I collect litter
when I'm out exploring
when I'm out exploring
and show respect for nature
and show respect for nature
by not disturbing anything wild.
by not disturbing.
Pulled over on the side of the road for some sandwiches. Just about to make it to Zion. Just made it into Zion, and it is insane. We are stoked.
Okay, put lights on. Perfect. 25 miles per hour, no stopping at the tunnel.
Perfect.
And your sunglasses have to come on.
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
We're in the middle, babe.
We just made it to the Zion Visitor Center. We're gonna go in and get some souvenirs for the girls. Super cool place. Me and Shave decided this is our second on the list for the trip. We think we would have liked Glacier a lot more if it wasn't smoky, but so far it's Tetons and then Zion. We lost Mom. We can't find her. Where's Mom? There she is.
This is about to be a sick good shot.
Come in, girls. Cute.
They're twins! Wait, what? They're twins!
Wait,
Hi,
what?
twins. They're twins!
Need help?
This is like stairs.
It is like stairs.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. Take a dip, huh?
There's all kind of rocks right here. See?
How is it?
They have muddy hands.
Muddy. What did I win?
Yeah, where's the scientist?
Yesterday the girls weren't feeling too good, and I noticed I was starting to get a little bit of a sore throat, so we decided just to hightail out of Utah and head over to Carlsbad. So we made it to Carlsbad late last night, and we plan on just kind of hanging out here until we're all feeling better and just rotting on the beach. That's the plan. We'll keep you posted.